Now, today I'll teach you about the concept of smart cities. Smart cities are the ones which use the latest technologies in order to improve the quality of lives of the citizens and at the same time try to minimize the consumption of natural resources in addition to reducing costs. In more detail, a smart city is an urban development vision to integrate multiple information and communication technology and Internet of Things solution in a secure fashion to manage a city's assets. The goal of building a smart city is to improve quality of life by using urban informatics and technology to improve the efficiency of services and meet residents' needs. Hence, smart city is a developed urban area that creates sustainable. Sustainable means able to be maintained economic development and high quality of life by excelling. Excelling means be exceptionally good. In multiple key areas, the smart city has digital technology embedded. Embedded means designed across all city functions. It is equipped with basic infrastructure to give a decent quality of life and clean environment to live smarter. Although smart city is defined on the basis of overall development of the city and the amenities provided to the people, there is no universally accepted definition of a smart city. Broadly, we can say that smart city is represented by the four pillars of comprehensive development, that is institutional, physical, social and economic infrastructure. According to the latest survey, the top 10 smart cities in the world are reported to be Barcelona, Singapore, Copenhagen, New York City, London, Amsterdam, Hong Kong, Dubai, Rio de Janeiro, and Paris. The Indian government too has come out with plans to develop numerous smart cities in the country, and the Urban Development Ministry has identified some key challenges toward the goal. These are transport, traffic, and mobility. Mobility means able to move. Utilities like water and electricity, governance and administration, education and skill development, health, crime and public safety, sanitation and waste disposal and management, environment and pollution, street lighting, urban flooding. Some of the Indian cities proposed by the Government of India to be developed as smart cities are Port Blair, Visakhapatnam, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Kochi, Bhopal, Gwalior, Navi Mumbai, Greater Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Jaipur, Udaipur, Coimbatore, Chennai, Greater Hyderabad, Kanpur, Lucknow, Agra, and Kolkata. World's five smartest cities. Market research firm Juniper Research Limited, which is in Basingstoke, UK, ranked cities on the basis of certain factors including adoption of smart grid technologies, intelligent lighting, use of information technology to improve traffic, Wi-Fi access points, smartphone penetration. Penetration means to understand, app landscape, etc. Juniper Research studied the economy of major cities and stated five smart cities as follows. First is Singapore. Singapore was crowned as the smartest city on earth after sorting data related to cities around the world. It gave Singapore high marks for its smart mobility policies and technology as well as its wireless connectivity. It is a leader in transport network. It has a long history of using information technology to improve traffic. It has high smartphone penetration and scores well in broadband availability. Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia region in northeastern Spain, Barcelona has made extensive use of sensors to help monitor and manage traffic. It has also installed smart parking technology, smart street lights, and sensors for monitoring air quality and noise. London. London has ranked near the top of the list in around ups of smart cities in the world, it took early action in using technology to tackle. Tackle means make efforts to deal with congestion and make parking simpler. It is one of the tech hubs. Hubs means the central part of the world and fares well in broadband availability. London has made big investment in smart traffic technology, but the way the city is constructed is not favorable to the cars on the road. Now, San Francisco. It is one of the first cities in North America to adopt smart city technology. The recent tech boom has made it the official capital of the Silicon Valley. San Francisco's Connected City initiative means the ability to assess, enables make possible resident to locate parking spots. The public transportation network already fares well in certain areas. The recent tech boom has choked traffic in the city. It has a good payment system and people can pay online. The city has been a leader in terms of smart parking. Oslo. It is the capital and the most populated city in Norway. It is one of the wealthiest cities in the world. The city uses information technology to curb means check, energy consumption. Consumption, the action of using up a resource. And greenhouse gas emission. Emission means the production and discharge of gas. It has installed sensors to help it monitor parking. It has also installed a sensor network to improve the care of sick elderly patients. It has launched a broad sensing network for monitoring traffic levels. There are apps available for smart parking which offers mobile payment. Other smart cities in the world are Boston, Chicago, Amsterdam, Geneva, Seoul, Sydney, etc. Now we will do characteristics features of smart city versus urban city. Now under this first is inclusive technology driven development. Smart cities endeavor. Endeavor means try to achieve. To use technology, information, and data to improve infrastructure and services. This includes access to water, electricity, affordable homes, education, health services, IT connectivity. Second is e-governance and public participation in government. A greater number of government services are offered online, making public services more affordable and enhancing accountability and transparency. Third point, increased mobility. Urban mobility enhanced by increased access to public transport and innovative solutions such as smart parking, intelligent traffic management, and integrated multimodal transport. Next point is safer, more reliable neighborhoods. Smart cities government redevelop poorly planned areas and endeavor to make neighborhoods less disaster prone. Create open spaces such as parks, playground, and recreational. Recreational means relating to activity done for enjoyment. Spaces and enhance. Enhance means to improve. The standard of living, video surveillance, close observation, is used to track criminals' activity and security measures are taken to protect senior citizens, women and children. Last point is sustainability. Sustainability means the ability to be maintained at a certain level. Efforts are made to generate energy and create compost from waste, reduce the amount of waste generated by the construction, restoration and destruction of buildings, and manage water resources more effectively. Thank you.